students, how are you? Children, are you learning every day? Did you complete all your worksheets? Today I am going to revise the earlier concepts. First lesson I have completed fully. First lesson name is comparing. In that lesson we have compared big and small. Elephant is big, rat is small. Next, which one we have compared? Long and short? Yes, you're correct. Snake is long, caterpillar is short. Next, we have seen above and below. Above and below defines the position. The balloon is above the boy. The boy is below the balloon. We have seen far and near. Far and near defines the position. The dog is far from the bucket. In the part is near the bucket. Students, let us revise thick and thin. Thicker, thinner. How can we find the difference between thick and thin? Look at this picture. How many books are there? There are 2 books. Which one is thicker book, students? First book is thicker than other book. Which one is thinner book, students? Second book is thinner than other book. Next topic is on, under. To know the position of on and under, let us look at the picture. Where is the cat at present? It is on the table. Where should it see for the rat? The rat is under the table. So the cat is on the table and the rat is under the table. So let us learn inside, outside. Can you say where are the 2 girls? Nega is inside the classroom. Sudha is outside the classroom. Next topic is top, bottom. Look at this tree. This is a bird. The bird is at the top of the tree. The snake is at the bottom of the tree. Students, let us revise second lesson. Second lesson name is numbers up to 20. Students, let us revise number name 1 to 10. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. Students, let us revise after concept. After number means next number. Students, look at this number line and find the after number. What comes after 1? The next number of 1 is 2. So 2 comes after 1. What comes after 2? The next number of 2 is 3. So 3 comes after 2. Students, let us revise before concept. Before number means previous number. Students, look at this number line and find the before number. What comes before 2? The previous number of 2 is 1. So 1 comes before 2. What comes before 3? The previous number of 3 is 2. So 2 comes before 3. Students, let us revise between concepts. Students, we have 3 numbers. 4, 5, 6. You have to find which number is between 4 and 6. Between numbers are the one that comes at the middle of 2 numbers. Your 5 is between 4 and 6. Students, let us revise tens and ones. I have here some beads. How many beads are there? Come on, students. Let us count and find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10 beads. What we have to do with these beautiful 10 beads? Let us make one bracelet with these 10 beads. Yes, we have one bracelet. Students, think and tell another name for this bracelet. I have named it as 10. Why I have given this name? Because this bracelet has 10 beads. From now onwards, we call this as 10. Okay, students? Look at this bead. Think and tell another name for this bead. I have named it as 1. Why I have given this name for this bead as 1? Because there is only one bead. From now onwards, we call this as 1. Okay, students? Let us learn numbers 11 to 20. I have one bracelet and one bead. One bracelet means 110 and one bead means 1. So 110 and 1 make 11. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Put this 11 in this tabular column. So 11 contains 110 and 1. Students, look at this picture. It has one bracelet and 2 beads. One bracelet means 110 and 2 beads means 2 ones. So 110 and 2 ones make 12. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Put this 12 in this tabular column. So 12 contains 110 and 2 ones. See here, students, we have one bracelet and 3 beads. One bracelet means 110 and 3 beads means 3 ones. So 110 and 3 ones make 13. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Put this 13 in this tabular column. So 13 contains 110 and 3 ones. I have here one bracelet and 4 beads. One bracelet means 110 and 4 beads means 4 ones. So 110 and 4 ones make 14. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Put this 14 in this tabular column. So 14 contains 1, 10 and 4 ones. Students, look at this picture. It has one bracelet and 5 beads. One bracelet means 110 and 5 beads means 5 ones. So 110 and 5 ones make 15. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Put this 15 in this tabular column. So 15 contains 110 and 5 ones. See your students, we have one bracelet and 6 beads. One bracelet means 110 and 6 beads means 6 ones. So 110 and 6 ones make 16. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Put this 16 in this tabular column. So 16 contains 110 and 6 ones. I have here one bracelet and 7 beads. One bracelet means 110 and 7 beads means 7 ones. So 110 and 7 ones make 17. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Put this 17 in this tabular column. So 17 contains 110 and 7 ones. Students, look at this picture. It has one bracelet and 8 beads. One bracelet means 110 and 8 beads means 8 ones. So 110 and 8 ones make 18. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Put this 18 in this tabular column. So 18 contains 110 and 8 ones. See your students. We have one bracelet and 9 beads. One bracelet means 110 and 9 beads means 9 ones. So 110 and 9 ones make 19. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Put this 19 in this tabular column. So 19 contains 110 and 9 ones. I have here 2 bracelets. 2 bracelet means 2 tens. 2 tens are 20. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Put this 20 in this tabular column. So 20 contains 2 tens. I have revised first lesson fully. In second lesson, I have taught you up to tens and ones. That much of concepts I have revised. Be happy. Be safe. See you in the next video.